For this example, we've been asked to simplify the following three expressions. So beginning with x to the 4 y cubed over x squared y to the 7. What we're going to use our laws of indices and say that when we have 1 over x to the a, we can write it as x to the power of minus a. So this expression will simply become x to the 4 multiplied by x to the minus 2 multiplied by y cubed multiplied by y to the minus 7. Then we will recall how we combine indices. So when we have x to the a times x to the b, we get x to the power of a plus b. So we can now combine these to get x to the 4 times x to the minus 2 is x to the 4 minus 2, and y cubed times y to the minus 7 is y to the power of 3 minus 7. So that just simplifies down to x squared times y to the minus 4, which we will write as x squared over y to the 4. So this is x to the 4 y cubed over x squared y to the 7, all simplified. So moving on to p times q squared times q cubed, we see that when we have p times q all squared, we can write that as p squared q squared, and we have a multiplying by q cubed. Now using this previous result here, that x to the a times x to the b is x to the a plus b, we can combine these q's, so we get p squared times q to the 2 plus 3, which is p squared q to the 5. So we've now completely simplified p times q all squared times q cubed. Final thing we need to do now is simplify a to the half times b squared all to the power of 4. And to do that, all we do is a to the half to the power of 4. We have a to the half to the power of 4 and multiplied by b squared to the power of 4. So a to the half all to the power of 4 gives us a squared, and b squared to the power of 4 is just b to the 8. And this is a consequence of using the result that when we have x to the a raised to the power of b, we get x a b. So we've now completely simplified these three expressions.